reflecting on my experience in grad school, this tip of staying away from athletes still applies because of the BBA MBA program. Common statements athletes say are, I can't meet that day, I have practice, but practice is only 2 to 3 hours long, yet the whole day is off limits. Another one was, I can't meet that day, I have a game. Again, is the game going to take place for 24 hours? No, it won't. I understand the kind of attention athletes bring to schools, but get your priorities together and do not make your problem my problem. Arrange your schedule accordingly, and when you do come to the meeting, whether on Zoom or in person, bring some ideas along with you. It's not productive for you to just come to the meetings and not move the meeting forward. Secondly, once the teams have been established, exchange phone numbers or find another form of contact. Then establish a sense of urgency from the beginning.